Welcome to GCCars. My name is Eric, and today we're going to take a city POV test drive in this 2021 Ford Bronco Wildtrack Sasquatch package. So that's the top trim four-door Ford Bronco. Plenty of options in this one. I'm very excited. Just picked it up actually today, and yeah, the city POV test drive, we're gonna just go for a little cruise down the city and see how smooth it is to drive in, like, you know, a little more commuting style driving. If you want to hear all my thoughts though about this Ford Bronco, click in the top right hand corner where we talk about everything Bronco, interior, exterior. We're going to drive it, hopefully off-road it, and do all the good stuff so we can actually do a verdict in this and compare it to the Wrangler. We also have two more POV test drives, one at night where we test the high beams, headlights, and do a launch, one on the highway where we test the cruise control and all those kinds of assist systems. Anyhow, as you can see already, I have done a little tiny thing here and removed the two front panels of our hardtop here. Look at that animation, by the way. It's actually pretty sick. There you go. I planned on doing this drive without doors, without front doors. The thing is, this one came optioned with the bags, but for some reason they're not in the car. So excuse my jacket, that was in preparation for not having the doors. So that's why I can't take him out right now, because even if I store him at home, the roads leading here are actually still very nasty and wet, and I don't want to clean out the whole interior. But I can quickly show you how easy it is to remove these panels. You just literally flip all these locks and voila, we have the whole thing open. It's just a very kind of difficult to carry panel, and especially lifting it up from top. And it wouldn't really make a difference with this POV test drive, so we will leave it in place because I don't want to drop it. Come on. There we go. Really don't want to drop it. Maybe we'll get to do that in the POV, pardon me, in the full. There we go. Review. Did I miss anyone? 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2. Okay. Two front roof panels it is. Anyhow, I would say let's get into the front. As you can see, I just picked it up not long ago and it was super nice and clean, and that's why it's not advisable to drive these roads where that happened without doors. But let's start her up. Okay, we're going to stay normal road for now. Maybe we're going to do a quick acceleration run later on, depending on traffic and road conditions. Do that, gotta make sure my audio equipment is free of danger. And yeah, let's go for a drive. But I want to have heated seats and heated steering wheel, because it's gonna be a little cold probably. We can actually, you know what, we might not have the doors outside, but we can at least go a little bit in that direction. Okay, just a comfy cruise. As is tradition when we have off-roaders, let's always spin this in the wrong direction. Go for I guess that one. 4 high, we are in. Let's try to take that. Just double check the clearance. Let's go and take that on. Let's go cameras actually. Just a little bit of a snowbank, no problem, of course, for Mr. Bronco. And then we want to get out of this mode because it does lock our rear diff. I always spin this in the wrong way. So yeah, normal. Okay, let's go for the actual POV test drive here. It's a little bit of fun at the start. Extended red light periods I'm going to just cut out, by the way. But this should be fairly quick. Okay, no idea how the sound quality will be. We'll find that out. Coming from the right hand side there. Put it into sport mode. We'll go for a little acceleration. But of course, we're going to keep it within the speed limits. We don't want to break any laws here. And she is surprisingly quick. Does this get better if I open the rear windows? Yes, it does. Okay, let's actually turn off the windows, whatever. We had our fun. There we go. And we still have our freedom up here. I love these cars. Trucks. Where you can just do some silly stuff like this. Let's take a look at the sync infotainment, which I really like about this is if you click on Android Auto wireless, it is integrated into the system itself, so you don't have to go in and out of it. If I want to, let's say, change some settings, I don't have to click. Normally you would have to click here and then click on Ford or whatever manufacturer you have to go in there, and then you have a separate button to go back to Android Auto. Well, here I can just open settings, here you go, change whatever I want, back to Android Auto. That is such a convenient feature. That is way easier than what usually you have to do. Oh, the trucks, I wonder what they're doing here. Take the curb because we can. Alright, we're still in sport mode. Let's go out of that one into normal, not eco. And now we're back into two-wheel drive, too high. Wonderful. Yeah, sorry, like I said, I just picked this up today, so I'm still kind of learning myself here a lot about the features and how it is to use. So that's like the second drive I'm doing in this. I've driven it for 47.6 kilometers, so that's like not even 30 miles. Taking maybe a quick look outside. Can we do that real quick? No, not quite, unfortunately. I wanted to give you a view out of the from the roof, but won't be doable right now. Well, that's okay. You can tell I'm just having fun here. I hope you are having fun as well watching this. It's actually surprisingly doable, honestly. with the rooftops or the roof panels removed. It's not too bad as long as we stay in like city speeds and not like the other road we were on earlier where it's a little quicker. And it's not too bad. The wind doesn't really get in that much if you turn on the heating a little more. We also get enough heat on our hands, which is really just the most vulnerable part right now. No, this is actually, I love this. I love this. The Jeep Wrangler I reviewed, gosh, what was it, a year and a half ago? Had a soft top, so that was pretty neat because you could just like unlatch and pull it backwards. It was also a two-door. But I can see why you want to have the hardtop. Certainly some advantages to that. I guess we're just gonna pull in here. There are some markings for parking spots. Be the guy that's super extra about it. Because we can. I only got this for a week, okay? I gotta go do all the stereotypical things. Anyhow, let's turn her off. And now we can take a look out of the roof. There we go. Nice. I love this. Anyhow, that is a city POV test drive in the 2021 Ford Bronco. And yeah. Like I said, we have 2 more POV test drives and a full review, which should be somewhere on your screen right now. And I thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, of course, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell. And yeah, hopefully I'll see you in the full review or in some other POV test drives. Thank you and Goodbye.